Hello there. We're going to find the area of this triangle. First, the question is it uniquely defined? I got a 40 meters, 50 degree angle, 80 meters, side, angle, side. So yes, there's exactly one triangle for this. There's only one choice for this length, one choice for these angles. I don't know them yet, but side, angle, side means there can be only one. Now you may recall from in class that a triangle, where you have side, angle, side, there's a very slick formula for calculating its area, and that is 1/2 AB times the sine of that angle C in between. And I know the A, I know the B, and I know the angle. So I just plug it into this formula. So for this one, it's going to be 1/2 times 80, I'm using the parentheses, times 40, that's the other one, times the sine of the angle in between, 50 degrees. Type that in and evaluate. So our area is 1,225.67, remember your units, meters squared. Now, I also want you to kind of remember where this comes from. So I'm going to take a moment to talk about how you could generate that if you do not recall this formula. And that is, we don't have a right triangle here, need a right triangle, so drop an altitude. I don't know what the height of this is, I'll call it h. And the angle in question is over on this side of it, so I get this nice right triangle over here. And within this right triangle, the 50 opens up to the h, the other known as the 40, so I have opposite and hypotenuse, so I set up a sine ratio. So sine 50 is that h over 40, and I can solve that for h. I'm going to shrink it down and give myself more space, so h is equal to 40 times the sine of 50. And now I know the base of this triangle is 80, and the height of this was this thing, so I can do 1/2 the base, which is 80, times the height, which is 40, times the sine of 50, and you'll notice that that's exactly what we had up there. All right. Character and Scholarship for Life.